energy to do the double Immelman. Here's one. It's a half loop and a half a roll. Two. And he goes outside for the second Immelman, climbing now to 1,500, almost 2,000 feet above the ground, and slows it down. Now watch him put it into a flat speed. The airplane's not flying now.